Hi, it's Karen, and I wanted to demonstrate our makeup remover to you today. This makeup remover is super gentle. It just has a couple of ingredients, and it can also be used as a cleansing oil on your face if you want to use it to remove makeup. It's totally safe to do that. So what I always recommend with this, because it has different oils in it that have different densities, I always like to give it a little shake. And then I grab a cotton pad, cotton ball, reusable cotton pad is even better. I'm gonna put a few drops on here on my cotton pad. And if you can really see that, I guess you can see it. And currently I have on regular mascara. So I just wanted to show you, I have this one, it's called Bubble something or other, Colossal Bubble. It's a Maybelline one that my daughter gave me, but you can remove waterproof makeup with this. Waterproof mascara. Of course, it's going to be a little bit more difficult, but you can get it off. So now I have my pad with the makeup remover on it. And what I like to do is, instead of rubbing the eye like this, I like to go right on the eyelashes and go up. So I'm not doing anything to my skin under my eye. So I'm going to just do that lightly. And I also wear contacts, and I do have the contacts in right now. So that's fine. You know it's safe for contact wearers. So we're going to go ahead and do that. You can feel it's it's an oil-based makeup remover, and it's very hydrating and moisturizing for your eye area. So that's handy. So I'm going to go ahead and just take that all off. And you can see all my mascara came off, no problem with this makeup remover. It really does work. And then what you can do, so what I normally do is I do the eye makeup first, and then I move on to our gentle cleanser and I cleanse my skin. And if you don't like the extra oils under your eyes, I kind of like it because I'm over 60, and so the more moisture the better. But if you don't like that, go ahead, use the gentle cleanser or even the green tea cleanser. Cleanse your face, and then you can follow up with the toner and moisturizer. Like I said, you can use it for waterproof mascara also. It does work. It just might take a little bit more time when I have waterproof mascara on, because I do wear that if I'm going to be in a pool or something. What I'll do is I'll actually take the cotton pad that's saturated with the makeup remover, and I'll just hold it. I'll just hold it in one spot for 10 or 15 seconds before I start trying to lift off the mascara. So that seems to help. It just kind of breaks it down a little bit if you leave the cotton pad with the product on it for a little bit longer. I hope you like it as much as I do. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, Karen at bgreenbathandbody.com. Thanks.